Air pollution. These days, pollution word is very common, but what does this mean? Let me tell you. Pollution is any undesirable change in physical, chemical, and biological properties of our environment, that is, air, water, and land, which causes harmful effects to various forms of life and property. While a pollutant is a substance, chemical or factor that on release to environment has a bad effect on human interests. Pollutant can be defined as constituent in wrong amount at the wrong place or wrong time. Air pollution is the occurrence of foreign particles or gases in the atmosphere which are harmful to man, vegetation, animals, and buildings. The air pollution is caused mainly due to combustion of fossil fuels. The fossil fuels like coal and petroleum contain small amounts of nitrogen and sulfur. When these fuels are burnt, nitrogen and sulfur too are burnt, and this produces different oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. Not only is the inhalation of these gases dangerous, they also dissolve in rain to give rise to acid rain. Combustion of fossil fuels increases the amount of suspended particles in the air. These particles may be unburnt carbon particles or substances like hydrocarbons. Presence of high levels of all these pollutants cause poor visibility, especially in the cold weather when water also condenses out of air. This is known as smog and is visible indication of air pollution. Regular breathing air, which contains any of these substances, increases the incidence of allergies, cancer, and heart diseases.